Something came in the mail today. What's inside the box? See what we have inside the box. Again, they are marketing geniuses. So the first chemical we have here is Adam's Detail Spray, pumpkin spice. Next chemical we have is Adam Polishes Interior Detail, pumpkin spice. These labels are pretty nice. Next chemical is Adam Polishes Ultra Foam Shampoo. I think this one's from the Black Friday edition. Alright, next chemical we have is, I believe, from their Black Friday edition too, and this is Tire Shine. This is going to be interesting. The last chemical, it's going to be Adam's Mystery Detail Spray. And they also included 3 nozzles. And see what's else inside the box. A sticker. Some sweet tart hearts. Interesting. Again, marketing geniuses. They included a gift card. It's a $5 off gift card that I could use in my next purchase. Trying to get me back to spend more money again. So if you guys were able to get this promotion, let me know in the comments below what you guys got. Kind of interested. So here's the dilemma. Since these are all special edition chemicals, do I use them or do I save them and collect them? Shoot a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys haven't seen our other videos, check them out. Go through the menu, go through the playlist. Also wanted to mention, if you guys are fans of E30, check out the other video where Doug and his brother drove all the way from Memphis, Tennessee and drove all the way to the tip of Florida and picked up a mint E30. It's on our playlist. Check it out. So if you guys like this video or enjoyed this video, hit the like button, shoot a comment below, let me know what you guys liked and what you guys want to see more of. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.